Hello, and welcome to this week's Tween DIY video. World Poetry Day is coming up on March 21st, and Poetry Month for the United States is in April. So this week, to celebrate, we're going to be making a poet tree. Let's go through your bag, make sure you have a place to set up, and then we'll get started. Here's what you should have gotten in your Tween DIY bag. Some cardboard, construction paper, a tree template. Might be a little smushed from the bag, but you can flatten it out. Some yarn, leaf templates, and finally, a list of poetry books or novels in verse. So I thought that you could use this list both to get ideas of what you might be able to check out at the library if you're looking for some poetry for your poet tree, or you can use these covers in a different way, which I'll show you in this video. Let's go ahead and get started. I'll take you through a few different steps of how you make your tree, and then I'll show you the final steps where you can come and put it all together. So here is the video taken in part from our thankful tree that we did back in November. That was what the first part of the instructions will be, and then I'll show you how to take that same template and make it into a poet tree. Let's get started. Once you have all of your leaves cut out, then they will be ready to put on your assembled tree. So take the leaves and hole punch them, tie a circle of yarn, and then hang them on your tree, just like this. Here's where the poetry part comes in. So you can take these leaves and write any poems or poetry, favorite poets, anything that you want to make it a poet tree. Or you can go back to your list that was in your bag, take a leaf template, use it to trace out one of the covers so it looks like a leaf, and cut them out. And then you can hang these poetry books on your tree. So that way you have poems that would be book covers hung as the leaves on your tree. It is entirely up to you how you want to make your poetry centerpiece. I hope that you're able to add more poems to it, or authors, or book titles as you go along, and it helps you appreciate poetry and celebrate Poetry Month. Thanks for watching this week's video. We will be back again next week for more Tween DIY. Have a great week, everybody. Bye!